Hello students, this is Rajesh and today I am going to show you how to use Google Classroom, Google Meet and Google Chat to take online classes in our school. So first of all you need to download Google Classroom, Google Meet and Google Chat from Play Store into your mobile phone. When you have these three applications in your mobile phone, you need to go to the WhatsApp group which we have created for you. Now all you need to send me your mail ID and your mobile number so that we can create a school official mail ID for you. Like we have created Lokesh Kumar 847, Shreyash Agrawal 1551. Remember, you must use your mail ID which is @mtmps.in. Otherwise, you will not be able to take the classes. Once you have these mail ID with you, you need to go to the Google Classroom. Open Google Classroom. So once you have your mail ID with you, you need to open Google Classroom. Then click here to add your account, add another account and then verify yourself. Now you need to enter your mail ID which you have received from our side. Like I have an account dummy 9@mtmps.in. Enter this mail ID and click on next. Now enter your password which you have received, mtmps@123455. Don't forget to change the password when you logged in. Okay, now click on next. I agree, and that's it. You are in the classroom. Now look, here is your email account into your Google Classroom. So what next you need to do is go back to the WhatsApp group, go to the end and see this is a link to join your class. Link to join 9th class. You need to click on this link simply and then you have to choose the correct account like dummy 9th here. Okay, don't forget to choose right account and then click on join class. That's it. It will take few seconds and then you will be a member of this class. So you are on stream tab. Now you can see who other peoples in the class like your teachers and your classmates. Here are some people who have already joined this class. You can see them. In this tab, classroom tab, you will get all the homework which you have received from your teachers. Okay, now okay students, now when you are a member of this class, you can join any class by clicking this video link. This you have to click video icon and then you will be able to join this class. You need to click on join. That's it. So now you are able to take a class. That's it about the class. Now go back, close this class. Okay, now I will show you how to use Google Chat. This is Google Chat. Don't forget to use this account which we have recently created. You have to always click on this account. You have to always select this account. Then you can create new chat. You can join to the room. You can create a room. Okay. So we will create a room for you. You don't need to create any room. We will create and we will allow you to chat all the students in the classroom. Okay, so that's it guys. This is very simple. If you find any problem then you can message me with the screenshot and you can call me.